It's me, Lana, from Luscious Lona. So today I have a try-on haul from Jlux Label, and as well I have one piece from Revolve.com. La Academie is the boutique shop in particular, and then I have one piece from Zara. So I'm just going to show you how I pair everything. You know, it wasn't a hot girl summer this summer because of the pandemic, but we can still look cute coming up this fall. So let's get right into it. So we're getting into it. So this is the Jlux bodysuit in a fired orange color, looking really good. And I paired it with this blazer that I picked up at Forever 21 forever ago. Look at me trying to be a model. Real cute, right? I tried. But going on to the next one, let me tell you about this. Now this piece right here just sucks you in, girls. I'm telling you, pick it up. I love this bodysuit. And I also got it in the gray because you know gray is one of the staples, black, white, and gray. Love it. And in this, you can see the speckles in the bodysuit of black and white. I love that it had a little detail and a little more texture to it, so it's a little something different. I would probably pair it with sweatpants as well if I was just running around. And girls, let me tell you about this dress. The color is everything. So let's get into it. So you already see this beautiful olive satin dress. However, let me tell you about the quality. As you can probably see yourself, or you'll see very, very soon when I zoom in on this issue, there is a few pieces that are just not right. Like the fretting is just sticking out, and it's unfortunate that it came that way because I spent a pretty decent penny, but you know, I'm probably going to reach out to Jlux and just see what they can do about that because girls, that is not it. I had to pick it up in the champagne, but as well, they had the same issue. So, yeah, I love the fit. It's really cute. It's not form-fitting, it's just flowy. So just keep that in mind if you do pick it up. But yes, it's still very cute, and I think I'll still get a lot of wears nevertheless. Ooh, okay, so who's taking me to Cabo Tulum? Let's go. So this is a two-piece bodysuit type of outfit that I picked up from Jlux, and as you can see, it is not friendly for us busted girls out there. So I would definitely recommend either sizing up on the top. And the next one I got from La Academie. I pulled it off of Revolve.com. I saw this on one of Leah's face videos and I loved it. And let me tell you, girls, the compliments you'll get wearing this shirt, something about it is just so classy. I love it. It's a new staple. I'm glad I picked it up. Okay, for my Target lovers, I had to get this. It's from Who What Wear, and it's a beautiful flowy dress, perfect for church or just going to brunch. Super simple. Definitely gonna get a lot of wears. Okay, now this is giving me winery, some chill vibes. Let's go hang out, girls. I love this shirt. It's a beautiful blouse that I picked up at Zara in person. It's kind of asymmetrical at the bottom. I really like the flow of it, and I paired it with a hat. Okay, now it's way too hot to be wearing this right now, but I love the details and the little scrooshy things at the bottom. I just paired it with my Nikes, and I think it looks really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications and drop your comment down below of what you guys thought about this video. Some of the items were a yes for me. Some of the items were a little questionable in quality, but Nevertheless, everything was super fly, super cute, and I definitely will be wearing them. So, mwah, bisous, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.